Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you had a great spring break. I had a very different spring break than I thought, and I'm sure all of you did as well. I didn't get to go to Mexico, didn't get to go see my family because of COVID-19, but we're trying to keep everyone safe. We're all in this together. I did get to spend a lot of time with my husband, gave my hair a little bit of pink, as you can see. Thought I'd do something fun. So we still had a good time, and I hope you did too. We are on, let's see. Well, first of all, I wanted to let you know, I'm gonna start doing videos every other day so that we don't get overwhelmed with all of the videos. So today's video is going to be for today, which is Tuesday the 30th, and tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 31st. So I'm gonna share our activities for both of those things. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. So first of all, we're going to continue with day 6 today and 7 tomorrow of our AMI packet. So for day 6 and 7, for your map, you are still in the Northeast region. So you're actually starting this new section. So the Northeast region is what you will be covering. You see at the bottom that it shows which part of the United States that is. So you will be answering questions about the Northeast region. For the largest, when it asks you about the largest, which states, you are just gonna look and see which ones by size are the largest. The country up top, up above the United States, when it asks you about the country, you need to look for, you'll see all the states, you'll see like New York, Pennsylvania, and which of those is not a state? It's up at the very top. Which country is above us? So that's where you will answer that. For reading, you are still going to be reading Where Do Bugs Go in Winter? You are probably going to have to reread this. We haven't done anything with it since before spring break. So for both today and tomorrow, AMI day 6 and 7, you need to read Where Do Bugs Go for Winter and answer those questions. Okay, for math, I know a lot of you had trouble with the expanded form. Some of you understood. If not, you can go back to my last video and re-watch that part. If you are still having trouble, you may skip. You have my permission to skip number 7, and you can just leave it blank. You won't lose credit or anything like that. So if that is still really challenging for you, you can skip it. Okay, and then for number 11, we're gonna do an example. So for number 11, it writes out the words. So for example, 342. So you see, you have to read it carefully. So 342, and what it's asking for you to do is to just write out that number. So you are writing 342. All right, so don't overcomplicate it. You are just writing the numbers, and you have to just read very carefully. All right, and so that is, and as always, you need to be doing the news. You can do your news notes using any news channel that you would like, or using CNN News, CNN10.com. All right, so let's finish up with our 3 C's for our challenge. So our 3 C's, we have challenge, chore, and chuckle. For our challenge, I want to make sure that we are not losing communication with each other. So even though we're not seeing each other in class every day, I still want to know how you're doing. I want you to check in with me. I want you to be talking to each other. So for your challenge, you are just going to be sharing something that you did over spring break. So you can message me, you can email me, you can text one of your friends, you can comment down below, any way that you would like, but you need to share something that you did over spring break. Okay, for your chore, this is an important one. I want you to create a schedule for your days. So the weekdays, make yourself a schedule. We're used to having our days laid out by each hour. So first hour we do news, second hour you may go to PE. that was a schedule that kept us very organized. And now that we don't have that, it kind of puts us in this like crazy, don't know what to do, don't know what time it is. So if you create yourself a schedule, it will help you to feel more focused. And it doesn't have to be, I mean, this school stuff should only take you an hour or two. So you could have it be wake up at 9, eat breakfast. So just have it be first I'm gonna do this, second I'm gonna do this, third I'm gonna do this. So first I'm gonna wake up, second I'm going to go for a walk, third I'm gonna eat breakfast, fourth I'll work on 30 minutes of homework. So you get to decide what your schedule is, but set a schedule for yourself. That is your chore. That's a very important skill as you become an adult. All right, and last but not least, we have our chuckle, which we have a special guest again for our chuckle because it's a knock-knock joke. Hello, oh, are you going for a bike ride?
Yep.
Okay. All right, ready?
Ready.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Hatch.
Hatch who?
Bless you.
Hatch you.
All right. So I did hatch you as our knock knock joke because I wanted to make sure you all are staying healthy and that you remember that. Ooh, we're on low battery. You remember that the reason that we're doing this is so that we can all stay healthy, and even though I miss you all so much, I know that this is worth it and we just want everyone to be all right. So let me know if you need anything, and if not, then I will see you guys next video.